We'll guide you through how to make color darker in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your Adobe Illustrator so you can create a new design project. Once the application is ready, click the New File button to start setting up a document. A selection of preset options will appear, allowing you to choose a size that matches your needs. Select a preset size, then click Create to open a fresh project and display the artboard. With the document prepared, make a simple shape on your artboard that will serve as the base of your design. To do this, pick the rectangle tool from the toolbar. After selecting the tool, draw directly on your artboard by clicking and dragging until the rectangle reaches the size you want. After that, open the swatches panel so you can work with color options. Browse the available choices and pick a color from the color palette. Once the color has been applied to your shape, begin adjusting it to create a darker version. Select your object to make sure the changes affect the correct shape. Next, double-click on the Fill option. An adjustment panel will appear, giving you access to color controls. Move your pointer onto the color shade area inside the panel. Hold your click and drag the pointer across the color shade area to explore different tones and levels of darkness. As you move the pointer, a preview bar will change simultaneously and reflect the current position of your cursor. Use this preview bar to check how the color looks before confirming the change. Continue dragging until you find a darker shade that matches your preference and suits the appearance you want for the object. When you find the color that fits your preference, click OK to apply the adjustment. The selected color will immediately update on the shape, showing the new darker variation you chose. At this point, the editing process is complete, and your object now has a darker shade than before.